Yes, good day family and friends. We're here at Center Park together with the family. Sama namin sila Jessie, sila Aizan, sila Jara, and the kids are here. Dito sila lahat. Dito nyo. Here's our house. House 826.
Sis, andun yung ano, yung baby chair. Diyan sa tempo na yan. Para malagay sa...
Kids are here.
Wow, there we go.
Rooms.
Wait, look at
Kayi? Like the ball?
Open it up.
Who's here? Ollie,
What is Kuya?
Sebastian, and Kuya here.
Yes, yes, yes.
And the last room is here. We spent time kami dito 4 days. Mag-activity kami, swimming, lakad-lakad, go to the park. Ano ba gagawin natin dito, Yab?
We're gonna do some barbecue! And some walking! Birthday ni Mami at saka ni Ja. Dito na kami magza-celebrate.
Oo nga pala, no? Celebration. Yeah. And also, vacation kasi ng kids, no?
Yeah, may vacancy.
Yeah. So, spend time kami dito with the family and friends. And bukas, sana di na umulan. Medyo nakaayos na kami ng gamit, so just chilling. Nantay lang namin sila Aizan, sila Mami. And then after that, maybe later, magsiswim kami. Are we gonna swim? Ollie? Ha? Want to swim?
Yeah. Hey, Ty.
Swim ka rin? Swim ka rin, Jacob? Yeah? Okay. Ah, nagagalit ah.
So, ilan tayo na namamasukan dito? So, bali, I'm cutting the liver now. Part nung pansin natin.
Yun, no?
Pang dinner
Pansit.
natin.
Anong pansit?
Pansit canton tsaka bihon.
Yun. Atay, baboy.
Atay, tapos may pork, tapos may carrots, cabbage, and green beans.
Nice.
Sarap, no?
That's for dinner?
Yes. And of course, kanin and adobo. Yes?
Let's go!
Sa isang patropiko.
While the girls are preparing food and the guys ng bahay nagpapahinga, we're gonna go to the swimming pool with these 3 kids and Robin. So, swimming muna sila.
Yun o.
Puti gumanda na araw.
Forest yan, forest.
Mas maganda weather ngayon, no, Jess?
Oo, walang ulan. Dry ngayon. Mga 18 degrees. Dry. Cloudy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tapos mamaya magba-barbecue kami. Yan. Yan, gising na yung 2 bata. Mamaya, mas magulo. Gising na mga kolokoy.
Cheese, dude! Mga bata lang dito kayo sa akin. Bata in heart. Isa abnong na abnong na.
Ito yung ugat.
Aba, bakit si Kayo wala na? Agaguman! Agaguman, agaguman. You say good morning. Everybody say
Good
Morning.
How about you, Siya?
Good morning.
In Dutch. Kuya Morka. You say Kuya Morka.
Morka.
Yung mga laman natin.
Yesterday, medyo may sakit si Kuya. Kamusta ka na, Kuya? Are you feeling better? Yeah? Okay. We'll do a lot of activities today, yeah? Swimming, playing outside in the park. What else?
The disco thing, maybe.
Disco? Yeah, at night. Or maybe also the, oh yeah, bowling and also the lake, right? We're gonna go there later. Okay ka lang, Kayi? Is that okay? Breakfast na kami. After 30 minutes, magsiswimming na kami.
Ito po, nag-breakfast ang mga magulo. Magulo kasi sa
Good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good.
Is it fun here, Ollie?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? Yeah. Are you ready to swim? Yeah? We're gonna swim in 30 minutes, okay?
I want to go to the slide water.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's like a river?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. Was that fun?
Mhm.
Okay, we'll do that later, okay? So it's time to go to the pool. Magbabanda yung mga bata. Mabubus ng energy. Then later on,
Papagutom.
baka mag-park, playground. Ano bang next activity after this? After dito? Hula.
Kakain muna. Tapos,
Kain?
barbecue. Tapos,
May pala tayo mag-barbecue. Kasi later na afternoon, uulan na eh. So,
Uulan ba?
yeah, may ulan ng konti. So, sasamantalahin namin habang may araw pa. Nauna na sila doon kasi maghati-hati na kami sa badge. Ito yung mga bata.
What a drip. That's your drip.
Mauna kami. And then, sunod yung ibang group.
Oh, stop the machine.
We are gonna swim. We are gonna swim. We are gonna swim. We are gonna swim. We are gonna swim.
We are going.
Dito na kami. Pasok lang kami sa loob. Yeah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay. Go. Sit first. Don't sit to me. Ano?
Let me do it. So brave, my girl.
Igo. Go, kuya, go.
Run your box.
kami mag-swimming. Uwi muna kami. Magbo-barbecue. Papahinga. And then afterwards, sa hapon, lalabas ulit kami.
Good ang mga tao. Pagod.
Is it fun, kuya?
Yeah. Ayaw na daw bumalik ni Olivia doon sa swimming.
Are you tired, Ollie?
You said
Huh?
you don't want to come back to the pool.